May hapon, magandang hapon po sa lahat. I'm here outside, so I'm here outside in the kitchen. See, I'm just waiting for my bossing. So magwait na ni bossing here because he's coming back. Came from work at his office, so even I'm going to sleep, even I feel sleepy, so I need to wait here so I can open the door for him. If not, he want to go this way. So diyan na naman yung batang makulit. So hulat-hulat ta guys, kay haron dito makapiso ba, hulat na to. Oh, it's going to rain there, but I don't think so. Not much dark clouds. Naantok talaga ako guys. Hello guys, hello ka-subscribers, ka-followers. How are they? It's time to feel comfortable. It's windy here, you see? Windy clouds. So it's nice. See? Maghintay ako dito guys, baka maagang umalik yung amo ko. So mas mabuti na yung andito ako para makita ko talaga ang sasakyan niya dyan kasi ang sasakyan niya. So dito kasi ang pula sasakyan na ginamit niya ngayon, kaninang umaga. So mga 5 o'clock na siya. So asahan natin guys. Okay, bye bye na po. Hanggang sa susunod ng aking vlog. Bye bye.